Hello everyone. I hope you all doing well. So this is our second episode of salad series, guys. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So today I'm using lettuce, I'm using spring onion, I'm using avocado, I'm using lemon. Okay, so I'm using Himalaya salt and I'm using as well black pepper. But instead of Himalaya salt, guys, you can still use sea salt or any table salt. For the black pepper, you can also use the white pepper. It doesn't matter. So now, as you can see, I've already washed my lettuce, I've already washed my spring onion. Now it's time to chop, and I will start by chopping my spring onion first. Okay, so guys, I hope you had a good week, a nice week. So guys, don't forget to go and check my other videos. Please watch my other videos, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, like my other videos, leave me nice comments, guys. Okay, so now as you can see, this time we are doing a salad series. Yeah, as I've mentioned earlier in this video, we are doing salad series. So guys, I'm gonna chop. After I finish chopping my spring onions, now I'm gonna put it in the bowl, yeah, so that I can have enough space for the lettuce. Now it's time for me to chop the lettuce. For the lettuce, if you want, you can remove one leaf one by one. You can remove the middle part if you want to, but for me, I like to eat even that middle part because this lettuce is so good. It doesn't have that bitter taste like the other lettuce, so I like this lettuce so much. So now I'm gonna chop it. Okay, I'm gonna chop. That's it, guys. Now I'm gonna put it in the bowl as well. If you want, you can start mixing now, but for me, I will wait for all the ingredients to be ready. So now I'm gonna cut the avocado as well. I've already washed it. So always, guys, wash your stuff, your food, because we never know where they always drop it, you know. So normally I should blend my avocado to make it like a paste, yeah, but today I just want to, you know, to just use it this way. Yeah, guys. All right, I've done with avocado. Now it's time to squeeze the lemon juice, and I'm using one full lemon, and I'm gonna use this lemon squeezer. It's very, very helpful too. It's a very helpful tool. So yeah. Right, my lemon is ready. Now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add in the mixer. Okay, make sure the seeds not getting inside. Now I'm gonna add in, so I forgot to tell you guys, I forgot to show you the other ingredient is olive oil. So I'm trying to remove the seed here. Yeah, that's the olive oil, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna put the pepper first, spread, and then salt, not too much. Now I'm gonna add in about 1 or 2 spoons of olive oil, not too much. Yeah, that one might be 1 spoon. Now I'm gonna mix everything. Yes, everything. Mix. With this salad, you can eat it with anything. Chicken, potato, anything. So yeah. If you are that kind of person who likes salad, please welcome to my channel, and please subscribe, because I'm gonna bring you more and more video of this salad series. Yeah, my salad is ready, and this is how it looks like. It looks and tastes nice, guys. Green. Yeah, so for me, I'm gonna eat my salad with potato and chicken wings. Yes, that's what I'm gonna eat with. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to like my other videos. Bye.